Galpin Ford is the #1 volume dealership in the world for 23 consecutive years. We have the largest inventory of new Fords to choose from. Here's the vehicle for you.
Since 1964, the Ford Mustang has been about performance. Today's model continues that tradition, and then some. From powerful engines to road-grabbing suspensions, America's original pony car has it all. With 9 versions to choose from, including fastback and convertible body styles and 2 Shelby GT350s, there's a Mustang waiting for you. 3 engines stand ready to deliver. A 2.3-liter EcoBoost blends power and efficiency. The GT's V8 develops 460 horsepower, and the Shelby GT350s put out 526. With all that power, you'll want to keep your eyes on the road. Available voice-activated sync technology makes it easy. Just say the word and stay connected to the world around you. The available 12-speaker Shaker Pro audio system featuring HD radio technology takes the edge off of rush hour. Add available navigation with SiriusXM Traffic and Travel Link and get where you're going as efficiently as possible. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories and build a Mustang that's all yours. The Ford Mustang. The legend continues.
Great deals, great service, and great people. That's what makes family-owned and operated Galpin Ford #1. Proudly serving the Los Angeles area for over 60 years, Galpin Ford has thousands of vehicles. And to better assist our customers, a friendly professional staff that speaks 21 different languages. When you visit, be sure and take advantage of our many amenities, including the horseless carriage restaurant and full-service Starbucks. Call, click, or visit Galpin Ford today. We are conveniently located off the 405 freeway at the Roscoe Boulevard exit.